What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now this is a trade between myself and my buddy Nate. Me and him are always trading back and forth with each other. I cannot wait to open up what is in this box. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to be surprised what I'm trading away and out of my collection, but I think it's worth it in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open and see what we're trading. Alright guys, you ready? Let's get this open. Let's see, what do we got in here? And my man threw in some extras. Oh man. Alright, let's see. Ooh, the new flying customs. Look at that, dude. This has not even hit Arizona. Oh man, look at that. The 1970 Mach 1 in orange enamel. Check that out, guys. Oh, I'm glad they brought this casting back. You have the red and yellow stripes running along the side. You have the Mach 1 in the lower panel with the black stripe. And you have the gold Hot One wheels right there. Look at that. Oh man, love the rear louvers. Of course, this does have the metal casted wing. The older ones had the plastic wing that was attached to the louvers, but look at that, man. Nice. Oh dude, god, I've been wanting this set. Uh-oh, we got a loose one right here. Oh, there we go. Now this is the one he mentioned. He said there was a prime candidate for a restore. Look at this poor Mach 1 right here. I don't know what is spilt all over it, but man, look at that. That's the older casting I was just talking about. Plastic wing that's attached to the rear louvers. Look at that. Let's check out the casting differences right quick. So you can see that the casting tail lights of the deck lid look much better on the older ones versus the newer. It's not as deep and recessed. Let's see, what else? Looks like the orange one's a little bit taller than the older one. Looks like the yellow one is a little bit thinner as a side profile, but it could just be the color, but it looks like that one is to me. I actually do have this one carded. I don't know if I have it over here or if it's over here. There we go. There she is in mint condition. It's a first edition. There you go. I forgot this was even a first edition. So this is going to be a really good candidate for a restore. Wheel doesn't even spin. I'm definitely gonna have fun getting her where she needs to be. So awesome, man. Thank you so much. Ooh, and look at that. We have another Mardi Gras Mustang. Look at this one though. God, that gold metallic looks so good, and with the purple flames, that just really pops though. But you have the purple outlined in a nice vibrant green. You have the chrome 5 spokes, pink tinted glass, and look at that, you have the pink stripes running on the hood. So there we go, a Mardi Gras 99 Mustang. Look at that, guys. Now I don't have this one. The only reason why I said another Mardi Gras is Grandpa Larry sent me a Mardi Gras 65 2+2, and check that out, guys. Another one, and that card art just looks super cool. Look at that, man. That is nice, dude. Love that color. The color setup just looks great. All right, and here we go. Ooh, the Saleen S7, my man. The 4th of July deco. Check that out, guys. Oh, that is sick, dude. You have the super clean dark blue enamel, the chrome PR5s. Check out the stars running along the side with the stripes. And there you go. You have the huge 76 sitting on top of a white star. Oh my god, that is clean, dude. Nice, man. Look at that. Check out the cars that were in this series. You had the Hammered Coupe, the Riley and Scott, the 57 Chevy, the Saleen S7, the Corvette SR2, that's a nice one, the Chevy S10 Pro Stock, and the Dragon Wagon. Look at that Very 8. Man, those are pretty sweet looking, but man, that is nice. You guys know I've been trying to find as many Saleen S7s as I can. These are the only ones in my collection. I have the red, the black, the Genco, and this beautiful blue metallic. And now I have the 4th of July decoed Saleen S7 right here. And of course, I cannot forget the one from B's Diecast Fantasyland in silver. But man, dude, thank you so much, man. Love the Saleen S7s. All right, guys, you ready? This car is what I was actually trading for. Wasn't expecting the bonuses, but of course my buddy Nate does that a lot, so I definitely appreciate you, man. But here we go, guys. You ready? Here we are. Boom! Look at that, dude. That is super clean. It's the Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX. And this is the 2021 Collector Edition Kroger Mail-In. Look at this. Look at the taillight tampo with this color, man. Oh, that is freaking clean looking. Looks so much better in person. It's a super sweet looking Spectra Flame teal. You have the Hot Wheels Flame deco with the number 3. The white, orange, and yellow stripes running all over. Oh my god, that color setup is beautiful, man. Look at that. You got the real riders with the white walls. God, that is nice. I'm a huge sucker for any Hot Wheel Flame deco, Hot Wheels Race Team deco, whatever it is. I'm a huge fan of it. So I was definitely really stoked of this offer to get this 2021 Collector Edition Kroger mail-in, because you guys know I do have a few mail-in cars, and I just really wanted to get my hands on this. So I thought this was a sweet trade. Didn't want to pass it up, guys. So are you ready to see what I'm trading for this? All right, I know a lot of you are probably gonna be like, what? But I feel that it was worth it to me. So Nate is getting my 510 in exchange for that Nissan Laurel. Check this out, guys. So Nate, this beautiful little 510 right here is going to you. I'm actually gonna throw in some extras for you. We talked about that, so I'm gonna hook you up for sure. But here you go, guys. The 71 Datsun 510 is going in the box for my buddy Nate. I am throwing in some extras that me and him discussed, but I know you guys are wondering why I would trade a 510 away for a car like this. Well, to be honest, guys, I actually do really like this Super, but not enough to really hold on to it. When I found it, I was like, sweet, I was stoked because I didn't think I was ever gonna find it. But at the same time, it's one of those Supers that I just wasn't planning on keeping in my collection. It is nice, it's in high demand, but not on my list of high demand cars. So I'm glad it's going to a great collector who's going to appreciate it a lot more than me. Of course, feel like the trade's good because I'm happy on my end. He's going to be stoked on his end. I know he was surprised. I was like, yeah, let's do the trade, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't want to give that up because they see just the value attached to it. But you know me, guys, I'm always open for trades, especially for stuff like this. Love Hot Wheels decos, Hot Wheels Flame liveries, all that stuff. So I told him, yeah, if it's something like that, I'm always open to trade, especially with him. He's a good guy to trade with. And yeah, check this out, guys. So even this right here, guys, definitely worth the trade. Even this 99 Mustang out of the Mardi Gras in this gold metallic, beautiful car, man. Absolutely love these extras. Thank you so much. I'm actually gonna have fun getting this Mach 1 restored, and I do have yellow, so I have the yellow, so I might make it just like it, or I might actually change the color since I do have this one carded already. 70 Mach 1 out of the new 2021 Flying Customs. Dude, I am stoked, man. I can't wait to find this set. Hopefully I do before I leave Arizona, but man, that thing is freaking sweet looking, dude. But the Saleen S7 was the cherry on top, man. Look at that. God, I love these cars. Nate, thank you so much for throwing up this trade. I'm glad you're gonna get this 510 in your collection. and I'm just stoked to have this in the collection, guys. 2021 collector edition cars or mail-in cars to me are just super cool. Not everyone's gonna be able to get one, but of course, doing trades, yeah, you'll eventually get one. But I never do the mail-in stuff. I just never have gotten into doing it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't in the future, but at the same time, it works out in people's benefits for trades and stuff. So there you go, guys. The 510 is gonna go packaged and sent out. I do have a couple packages to send out. I got Big A's Diecast, Live or Diecast. I'll be getting your package out soon. There's a few other people, so just bear with me, guys. Still trying to catch up on the third wave or fourth wave of packages, actually. So that is it. Super stoked on this trade. The extras were freaking perfect. So Nate, again, thank you so much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on these casts, and of course the Kroger mail-in exclusive. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.